Hello and welcome back. I'm Lance Bishop with the BRB team, bringing you your Bitcoin touchpoint, your updates the way you want it. As a reminder, this is never financial advice. Let's jump right into it. BlackRock's CEO is very bullish on Bitcoin as its ETF crosses $17 billion. BlackRock's CEO Larry Fink says he's been pleasantly surprised at the level of retail demand for his firm's spot Bitcoin ETF. We're creating now a market that has more liquidity, more transparency, and I'm pleasantly surprised. I would never have predicted it before we filed it that we were going to see this type of retail demand, Fink said. The future seems very bright for BlackRock and their Bitcoin ETF. In other news, Bitcoin could witness massive upside volatility as $15 billion in options are set to expire. Tomorrow, Friday, March 29th, Deribit, the world's leading cryptocurrency options exchange, will settle quarterly contracts worth over $9 billion. With these higher levels of options expiring, it might lead to potential upward pressure or volatility, not only in Bitcoin, but in the overall crypto market. This is an event that you will want to pay attention to. Now shifting gears into the Bitcoin technicals. Let's take a look at the fear and greed indicator. The overall sentiment in the crypto market is positive, and while the market seems to be going sideways for the week, the fear and greed indicator is still on the high end of greed. The fear and greed indicator has a small decrease and is down 3 points from yesterday, which currently has a rating of 80 as Bitcoin sentiment remains high. Now taking a look at the ETF inflows. The ETF inflows and outflows had another positive day yesterday, as the ETF's inflows had their third day in a row of positive net inflows. Grayscale continues their sell-off of Bitcoin with no signs of slowing down. They had an outflow yesterday of over $299 million. The overall net inflows had another strong day yesterday with a net inflow of over $243 million. Turning our focus over to the Bitcoin heat map. With most of the liquidation wiped out for both the long and short hands, today does not show much liquidation in the short term. Taking a look at what is currently showing on the heat map, majority of the liquidation is being held by the short hands starting at 71,100 level and higher. The few longs holding in the range just below current levels around the 69,700 levels. These are the key ranges to watch in the short term. Let's get into the Bitcoin chart review. At the time of this recording, we are trading around the 70,400 level. Looking at the 4-hour chart, we continue to consolidate. The past 24 hours, we did see some volatility with a large fake out, which wiped out leveraged retail buyers. The short-term trend indicators point to a trend to move higher. We are seeing breakout of the channel that is formed with a 4-hour confirmation. The Bitcoin should trend up over the next 24 hours with the next resistance at the 74,000 level. Thanks for watching. If you like these daily touch points, then join the BRB team every Thursday night 7 p.m. Central Time for an in-depth view of what is going on in the crypto space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Every little bit helps, folks. And as always, we will be right back.